Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix PowerPoint no response. Chapter 1. How to fix PowerPoint no response running as administrator. To start, enter PowerPoint in the search box. Click on Run as Administrator, click Yes to access. Chapter 2. How to fix PowerPoint no response updating the system. To get started, click Start and select Settings. After that, in the Windows Update section, click on Check for updates. Wait to check if there is an update to be downloaded. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Open PowerPoint to confirm it works. Chapter 3. How to fix PowerPoint no response repairing Office. To start, open Start and select Settings. Here under Apps, click on Installed Apps. After that, click on the three dots in Microsoft Office, select Modify. Click Yes. Now check the Quick Repair box. Click on Repair and click on Repair again. Wait for this repair process to come to an end. After this, open PowerPoint. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.